Changed these out already, but the housing, this part broke, so I had to order a new one. I'm only showing the one area, but I glassed in the whole framing for the head. Adding the trim towards the floor, I decided to finish the head first because I wanted to make it pretty, because it was the room when I first got the boat that it was in such bad condition. I barely wanted to go in there, and it smelled. And I felt like if I accomplished getting this done and feeling good and comfortable in it, then the rest of the boat would be no problem. So that's why I decided to do this first. I want this room to be the sky, the clouds over a blue sky that we've seen a lot lately. I figured that would be the theme for the head or the bathroom. Alright, so I did the ceiling with the stencil and I hate it because it's so dark, and I love this blue right here, so I'm just gonna go over it with this half dry, one swoop. See if I can lighten it up. That's what I'm doing right here. It's a pretty good pattern, so hopefully it'll save it. It saved it. Found this tub and towel for my shower base at a thrift store for $3.99. You can really see the difference with the second coat. It's taking away all the staining from the old age of it. Replacing the wooden frame that was rotted around the sink. Oh, success. We did. I'm putting together the mosaic that I'll finish once I put the sink in. To cover the hoses once the toilet's reconnected. Here it is so far. Only got a few things left to finish it. And that's it for this week. I'll see you next time.